Did you know the last words ever recorded from Frederick Valentich were not words at all? It was October 21st, 1978. A 19-year-old pilot flying alone over Bass Strait in Australia, a routine training flight. Clear night, nothing unusual. Then he called Melbourne Air Traffic Control. He described a craft above him, long, metallic, moving at speeds that made no sense. Green light, orbiting him. He asked the controller what it was. The controller had no answer. Valentich stayed calm. That is the part that gets under your skin. His voice was steady, professional. A young man describing something impossible in the same tone you would use to read a weather report. Then his engine started failing. His final transmission lasted 17 seconds. No words, just a sound. Metallic, scraping, rhythmic, like nothing in any aircraft manual ever written. Then the frequency went silent. No wreckage, no body, no debris. Nothing was ever found. Just that sound, preserved in an audio file, sitting in an archive somewhere, still unexplained.